Your question is, consider the following statements. The Parliamentary Committee on Public Accounts 1. Consists of not more than 25 members of the Lok Sabha. 2. Scrutinizes appropriation and finance accounts of the government. 3. Examines the report of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Which of the following statements given above is or are correct? Your options are A. Only 1, B. 2 and 3, C. Only 3, or D. All of these. Right answer is B. 2 and 3. Scrutinizes appropriation and finance accounts of the government and examines the report of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Your question is, who nominates the chairman of Public Accounts Committee? Your options are A. President of India, B. Prime Minister of India, C. Speaker of Lok Sabha, or D. Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Right answer is C. Speaker of Lok Sabha. Your question is, members of the Rajya Sabha are not associated with 1. Public Accounts Committee, 2. Estimates Committee, 3. Committee on Public Undertakings. Choose your answer from given code. Your options are A. 1 and 2, B. Only 3, C. Only 2, or D. 1 and 3. Right answer is C. Only 2. Estimates Committee. Your question is, which is the largest committee of the Indian Parliament? Your options are A. Public Accounts Committee, B. Estimates Committee, C. Committee on Public Undertakings, or D. Committee on Petitions. Right answer is B. Estimates Committee. Your question is, Estimates Committee is constituted from the members of, your options are A. Both the houses, B. The Rajya Sabha, C. The Lok Sabha, or D. None of these. Right answer is C. The Lok Sabha. Your question is, which of the following is the financial committees of Parliament in India? 1. Public Account Committee, 2. Estimates Committee, 3. Committee on Public Undertakings. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. Your options are A. 1 only, B. 1 and 2, C. 1 and 3, or D. 1, 2 and 3. Right answer is D. 1, 2 and 3. Public Account Committee, Estimates Committee, and Committee on Public Undertakings. Your question is, on which of the following a parliamentary committee has not been set up? Your options are A. Public Undertakings, B. Government Assurances, C. Estimates, or D. Welfare of Minorities. Right answer is D. Welfare of Minorities. Your question is, the Joint Parliamentary Committee set up for probing the 2G spectrum issue consists of, your options are A. 15 members from each of the two houses, B. 20 members from Lok Sabha and 10 members from Rajya Sabha, C. 18 members from Lok Sabha and 12 members from Rajya Sabha, or D. 16 members from Lok Sabha and 14 members from Rajya Sabha. Right answer is B. 20 members from Lok Sabha and 10 members from Rajya Sabha. Your question is, the Joint Parliamentary Committee examining the 2G scam is headed by, your options are A. Murli Manohar Joshi, B. PC Chako, C. AB Vardhan, or D. Sitaram Yechuri. Right answer is B. PC Chako. Your question is, the officers of the parliament include 1. Speaker Lok Sabha, 2. Deputy Speaker Lok Sabha, 3. Secretary General of Lok Sabha, 4. Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. Codes, your options are A. Only 1 and 2, B. Only 1, 2 and 3, C. Only 1, 3 and 4, or D. All the 4. Right answer is D. All the 4. Speaker Lok Sabha, Deputy Speaker Lok Sabha, Secretary General of Lok Sabha, and Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Your question is, in what way does the Indian Parliament exercise control over the administration? Your options are A. Through parliamentary committees, B. Through advisory committees of various ministries, C. By making the administrators send periodic reports, or D. By compelling the executive to issue writs. Right answer is A. Through parliamentary committees.